Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. Today I'm going to show you how to take this door panel off a 2022 VW Tiguan. Tools you're going to need. Some pry tools. You're going to need a Torx here. I'm not sure what that is. It's a T30, I think. Pretty good size. 10 mil. Like I say, you're going to need some pry tools. I like using this one and this one. So let's get started. First thing you want to do, get yourself a light, maybe some knee pads, because there's a little guy right there, and that's what I use my 10 on. You just turn it half turn. No cameraman here, so let's see. Just turn it pretty much like that. The door panel just pulls off of that. Then there's a Torx here. Going to take this cover off, and there's another Torx up here. And then we just pull the bottom of the door panel all the way around, and she should be off. So let's go ahead and do this Torx right here. If you got a magnet, be nice. Okay, so we got this one. So now there's a little edge right here. Little edge right there. I'm going to take my pry tool, push in on it, and push and pop this piece out. So I'll show you what's going on there. So I'm going to use this end. I'm going to stick it. I just pushed it in. Look at that. Just comes right out. Now I just kind of pried it like that, and it just came right off. So that's pretty base. Then there's another Torx right here. This door panel is pretty easy. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, if you got anything magnetic, you can get your screws out. So put them in the car so you don't lose them. Now I'm going to use this bad boy, and I'm going to go around this outer edge and pull out on the door panel, because there's plastic tabs in here that hold the door panel to the door itself. So I kind of like to start in the front here, and I just get something thin. Kind of figure out where it'll fit in, like right here. And I just pull it on the door panel. Make sure that guy there is good. Put my knee on the door a little bit. You gotta pull on it pretty good. Move your way around. Yeah, another one up here. And then a couple over here. And she's ready. Lift up on it. And that's basically how you take off the door panel. Now you got your wiring you're gonna have to disconnect, but some people don't, you don't even have to disconnect it if you don't want to. So yeah, just I'm not gonna take the wiring off because I don't need to, but if you do need to, pretty much self-explanatory. If you got it this far, you can get it the rest of the way. A little bit of wiring down here, disconnect it, don't pull on it, but just do everything in reverse, put the door panel back on, and get all the screws back in it, and you're good to go. Hope you guys liked the content. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.